What I'm going to show you is how to set it up. I have the camera here. This is the Sony A7 III. I'll just remove the top cover so I can place the receiver. So you just put that in here, the top portion of it, to hold it, or to like make sure it's seated properly, like that. You open the side of your camera where you normally insert the microphone. So you'll just insert the cable that came with the box, and there's like a label on it. It says camera, so it's pretty much easy to identify. And just plug it in here, and then the other side of it, plugged it to the output portion of the receiver. So here's your microphone. So here's the MAONO. Now to power it on, there are 3 buttons on the side, and then here, this is the power. Press and hold it, 1, 2, 3, and then you will notice the blue light here would start to blink. It's gonna be blinking if it's not paired. Once you go to your receiver, to your microphone, you just also press same button. So I don't know if you can see it properly. That one that I'm holding right now is the power. The one in the middle is the mute, and then the sync. So just press and hold the power button, 1, 2, 3, and then it would start to blink here. And once it becomes steady, so that means they're already sync. Next stop, I'm gonna show you the sound quality.
Okay, hello guys. Nakasilingan ng Mintana. Yeah, by the way, so today I'm gonna be using this microphone from MAONO. It's a wireless microphone, and I am currently using the Sony A7 III. The microphone is connected to the camera. I'm talking really low. I'm just my normal voice. This is just the test log for this microphone. I got this 2 days ago, and I didn't have the chance to open it and do some testing on it. So finally today, while waiting for me, Push is currently there. This Atlantic Superstore. I'm just gonna test this. So I am, like, let's say 1.5 arm length apart from the camera. I am just talking like really low, and the thing that I like this is that I can just put it here, or if I'm wearing a jacket, then I can just put it inside my jacket and it's not gonna show up. Another thing, by the way, is that MAONO is producing a lot of good quality microphones, from podcast microphones, streaming microphones, lavalier microphones, and even this wireless microphone. They're usually my go-to. It's usually my go-to brand for those kind of stuff. I'm just so happy with it. I'm also thankful for the opportunity from MAONO for giving me a chance to review this microphone. This is not going to be a biased review that I'm telling you to, or I will be encouraging to buy this microphone. This is just a test of the quality, and I'm not going to edit it or enhance it. Whatever you hear right now is the actual raw sound coming from this microphone. And if you like it, then you can use the description on the link below. If you don't like it, it's okay, just look for another brand of microphone. But I myself, I'm loving this microphone. It's just super light, super portable, and most of all, it is wireless. It totally eliminates all this wires. And if you probably guys notice, if you've seen my previous vlogs, the audio quality was bad. That was because I didn't have a microphone back then, or I was using a shotgun microphone, and then when you like point it to, the shotgun or if the camera is pointing at you, then the quality is gonna be good. But if you're gonna start to turn the camera and like show the background and you talking at the same time, what happened is that the microphone couldn't clearly pick up your voice, which results to really bad audio, and sometimes it's even unusable. With this, I'm just happy with it, and Mibu's here, so I'll talk to you later. Bye. So that's what I'm talking about. Mibu's here.
You lifted me up, you sailed me away. the world gives and turns.